When it comes to camping, having the right gear can make the difference between a rough night outdoors and an unforgettable adventure. Today, I'm diving into 20 camping inventions that truly take outdoor living to the next level. Clever designs, smart innovations, and practical tools that every camper, hiker, or weekend explorer will appreciate. Let's jump right in. Starting off strong, the Coleman rolling cooler is every camper's best friend when it comes to keeping drinks cold and food fresh. This cooler offers a massive 100-quart capacity, which means it can store enough supplies for a long weekend or a group camping trip. The leak-proof, stain-resistant liner keeps things clean and hassle-free, and although it's not entirely water-resistant, it's built tough enough to handle outdoor conditions. With a durable plastic build and over 20 pounds of solid construction, this cooler is made to last and perfect for road trips, tailgating, or extended camping stays. Number 2. Primula Coffee Percolator. For coffee lovers, this one's a game changer. The Primula Coffee Percolator lets you brew rich, flavorful coffee right over your camp stove. It's made from lightweight aluminum, so it's easy to carry, and with a 9-cup capacity, it's perfect for groups or caffeine-hungry campers. What makes this percolator special is its simplicity. No fancy electronics or filters, just classic stovetop brewing that delivers great taste in the great outdoors. It's compact, durable, and easy to clean, which makes it one of those must-have pieces of camping cookware for any serious coffee drinker. Next up, the Gerber Freescape Camp Saw. A smart, foldable tool that brings serious cutting power in a compact form. Weighing just 1 pound, this saw features a 12-inch rectangular blade with 6 precision teeth that make quick work of branches and firewood. Its foldable design means you can collapse it flat without removing the blade, keeping it safe and easy to store in your pack. The rubber handle ensures a steady grip even in damp conditions, and Gerber backs it with a limited lifetime warranty. For anyone who values efficiency and space-saving gear, this camp saw is a must-have. Number 4. Mr. Heater Camping Heater. Cold nights in the wild are no joke, and that's where the Mr. Heater Camping Heater really shines. This propane-powered heater puts out up to 9,000 BTUs of heat, enough to warm an area up to 225 square feet. It's designed with a low oxygen safety shutoff and radiant heating method, which makes it both powerful and safe for tent or camper use. Weighing around 9 pounds, it's portable and sturdy with a simple floor mount setup. Whether you're camping in the shoulder seasons or braving the winter chill, this heater ensures your nights stay cozy and comfortable. Number 5. Coleman Skydome Tent. The Coleman Skydome Tent, a reliable, easy-to-set-up shelter built for campers who want performance without complexity. It features a dome shape with a 1,500 mm water resistance rating, offering solid protection against light to moderate rain. The interior is spacious, with an 8-foot floor width and just under 11 pounds of total weight, making it portable yet roomy enough for small groups. Coleman's durable design and 1-year limited warranty give peace of mind, while its quick setup system helps you spend less time pitching and more time enjoying the outdoors. Next up, with something truly innovative, the Gallagher Smart Fence 2. This isn't your typical campsite gadget. It's a portable, all-in-one electric fence system designed to create instant boundaries wherever you need them. It's built with metal and durable plastic components, featuring 4 fence lines that extend up to 328 feet in total length and stand 42 inches tall. The system includes 10 integrated posts, all of which fold down neatly for easy transport and setup. At just 16 pounds, it's surprisingly light for what it does, and it's backed by a 1-year warranty. Next up is the Ignik FireCan Fire Pit. A compact and travel-ready way to bring a safe, controlled fire anywhere you go. Made from alloy steel, the FireCan has a unique rectangular design that looks more like a rugged ammo box than a traditional fire pit. It runs on liquefied petroleum gas, offering a clean-burning flame that produces warmth and ambiance without the smoke or mess of wood fires. Weighing 11.5 pounds, it's easy to pack and carry, and the sturdy build ensures it can handle the rough handling of outdoor travel. Whether you're camping in a no-burn zone or just want a quick and easy campfire setup, the Ignik FireCan keeps things simple, safe, and efficient. Number 8. UCO StakeLight. Ever tripped over a tent line at night? The UCO StakeLight is designed to make sure that never happens again. Each stake has a built-in LED light powered by a single AAA battery, providing up to 17 lumens of brightness to illuminate your tent's perimeter. Made from aluminum and TPE materials, these stakes are water-resistant and lightweight, just 0.08 pounds each. They're perfect for improving visibility at night while adding a nice ambient glow around your campsite. Simple, functional, and clever. This is one of those small innovations that makes a big difference in outdoor comfort and safety. Number 9. Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector. Safety should always come first when camping, especially if you're using heaters or cooking inside enclosed spaces. That's why the Kidde Carbon Monoxide Detector is such an essential piece of gear. This compact, battery-powered detector runs on 2 AAA batteries and uses a reliable ionization sensor to alert you to dangerous carbon monoxide levels. It's lightweight, just half a pound, and operates in a wide temperature range from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, with humidity resistance up to 95%. Number 10. Origem Mini Air Pump. The Origem Mini Air Pump, a powerful little multi-tool that's far more than just an inflator. Weighing around 480 grams, this compact device runs on 2 built-in 1,600 mAh lithium batteries, giving you up to 30 minutes of continuous runtime and recharges in about 5 hours. It delivers an airflow capacity of 300 liters per minute with a maximum pressure of 5.2 kilopascals, making it perfect for inflating air mattresses, boats, or tents. But that's not all. It doubles as a 600 lumen camping light, providing bright illumination for night setups. Portable, rechargeable, and incredibly versatile, the Origem Mini Air Pump is one of those "why didn't I get this sooner" kinds of tools for campers who love efficiency. Number 11. YOYIOTDR Inflatable Camping Tent. Now here's a modern twist on classic camping. The YOYIOTDR Inflatable Camping Tent. Instead of traditional poles, this tent uses air beams that inflate quickly, creating a strong and stable frame in just minutes. It's made from 420D Oxford polyester fabric with PU-coated sealed seams, making it fully waterproof and windproof, even in tough conditions. Weighing about 18 kilograms, it's built for 6 people and designed for 4-season use, so you can camp comfortably year-round. Next up is a simple yet ultra-practical invention, the SEWANTA Hammock. Compact when folded, this hammock packs down to just 6 by 3 inches, yet it supports up to 400 pounds, or even 500 pounds if you choose the double version. Made from breathable nylon fabric, it's lightweight at only 1.47 pounds, and the material dries quickly, which makes it perfect for beach trips, forest camping, or backyard lounging. It's designed for one person, but the comfort level is outstanding, the kind of gear that turns any campsite into a relaxing retreat. Number 13. BioLite 100-watt fast charger power bank. When it comes to staying powered off-grid, the BioLite 100-watt fast charger power bank is a powerhouse in a compact body. This 25,000 mAh battery offers 100-watt USB-C output, which means it can fast charge laptops, tablets, and smartphones, even power-hungry devices like cameras and drones. It fully recharges in just 90 minutes, making it one of the fastest high-capacity chargers you can take camping. And since it's FAA carry-on compliant, you can bring it on flights without a problem. Number 14. BioLite Alpenglow Lantern. Lighting can make or break your camping experience, and the BioLite Alpenglow Lantern is built to set the perfect mood while providing practical illumination. This battery-powered LED lantern delivers up to 250 lumens of light and features multiple color modes. It's IPX4 waterproof, making it durable enough for outdoor use, and it offers an impressive 20-hour battery life on a single charge. Weighing just 210 grams, it's lightweight and easy to pack, with a cylindrical tabletop design that blends aesthetics with function. Next, the OCOOPA Rechargeable Hand Warmer. A small device that delivers big comfort on cold nights. Crafted from aluminum, it's sleek, durable, and powered by a lithium polymer battery that's fully rechargeable. It features 3 adjustable temperature modes, letting you choose your preferred warmth level with just a quick press. Lightweight at only 50 grams, it's easy to slip into your pocket or gloves, and it even doubles as a mini power bank for charging your phone in a pinch. Next in our list is something that every camper should have. The FosPower Emergency Weather Radio. This isn't just a radio, it's a multi-purpose survival tool. It offers AM, FM, and weather band support, and it can be powered 3 different ways, by solar energy, hand crank, or batteries. It also doubles as a 7,400 megawatt-hour power bank, so you can charge your phone or small devices when off the grid. The unit supports USB-C connectivity and includes a built-in flashlight, making it a must-have for emergencies or long outdoor trips. Next, we have something a bit more casual but just as practical, the G4 Free Beach Tote Bag. Made from 100% polyester, this tote is waterproof, sandproof, and tear-resistant, making it ideal for the beach, lakeside, or casual camping days. It's lightweight, durable, and designed to hold all your essentials, from towels and sunscreen to snacks and drinks. It's a simple piece of gear, but one that proves how thoughtful design can make outdoor life a lot more comfortable and organized. Number 18. ROCKETFIRE Fire Starter Torch. For anyone who loves cooking or campfires, the ROCKETFIRE Fire Starter Torch is a serious upgrade over traditional matches or lighters. Built from stainless steel and aluminum alloy, this torch can produce temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, powerful enough to ignite wood, charcoal, or fire pits in seconds. Weighing just 1.3 pounds, it's portable yet extremely durable, and its ergonomic handle gives you excellent control. It's one of those tools that combines professional performance with outdoor reliability. Next up, the Freehiker Camping Kitchen Utensil Set. A compact all-in-one cooking kit that keeps your outdoor meals organized and convenient. This stainless steel set includes 27 pieces neatly packed in a 14.5 by 9 by 2 inch carrying case, making it perfect for camping trips, picnics, or RV adventures. It weighs around 1.86 kilograms, which is surprisingly light considering how much it includes. Everything from knives and tongs to spatulas, ladles, and cutlery. If you love cooking outdoors or just want a well-organized camp kitchen, the Freehiker set is a smart investment. Finally, rounding out the list is the Wakeman Outdoor Garbage Can. a simple but incredibly useful invention for keeping campsites clean. This collapsible, lightweight, and portable trash bin is made from durable polypropylene and features a rectangular shape that holds up to 29.5 gallons of waste. It's sturdy, yet compact, folding down flat when not in use, and the manual lift opening mechanism makes it easy to use. At just 1.35 pounds, it's effortless to carry and set up anywhere. And that wraps up our list at 20 camping inventions that are truly next level. From smart gadgets and comfort gear to tools that redefine convenience and safety in the wild. If you want to check out any of these products yourself, I've added links in the description below, so be sure to take a look. And if you found something here that could upgrade your next trip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews just like this one.